As I have said, in the Bible, we have seen the three natures in the Bible: the animalistic behavior or the nature, the human nature, and the divine nature in the Bible. Now, I will add my experience on this divine illumination. When I was second year college, there was a time I was so depressed that I've been thinking about ending my life. Then I went to the on the second floor of that apartment and looking for a sharp object, knife, to be used in my suicide plan. But the turn of event, I found instead a Bible in the corner of our boarding house. I took it and opened the book of Ecclesiastes. There I found that even the king, the rich and powerful, is still not happy with the material blessings he has. Who? King Solomon. With that on, my depressions mainly that I am thinking that I am poor. No possibility of acquiring happiness since I don't have material things. But here comes King Solomon. He has material things and very powerful as a king. Not also happy, even he has everything. Why? Then came to my conclusion that achieving happiness is not based on material blessings or power, dominance, whatever it is alone. But we are looking something higher. Even the king is still searching for it. So in conclusion, when I want to inject fear, guilt, and control for dominance, I chose the animalistic nature written in the Bible. I chose scriptures and scripture chapters and verses to instill and fit those animalistic behavior. For what? Con- for control or dominance. Okay? To fear guilt, to inject guilt and fear, so that for them to follow. But to exercise my humanistic behavior, I choose scripture chapters and verses that talk about peace, love, hope, and other expressions on especially on sweetness of emotions. I inject those feelings so that they will be triggered emotionally and somehow they will be achieve the inner their inner well-being, their inner peace within them. And divine nature, I choose scriptures, chapters, and verses, whether it is just, even it's just a story or a historical significance, I don't care. But as long as it expresses the divinity in us. So I read the scriptures that will inspire us into higher state and satisfy our spiritual longing. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.